Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be checking out the Monsgeek M1 keyboard that was sent over to me by Monsgeek themselves for my honest review. And it is an aluminum kit that only goes for $100, which is crazy because most aluminum keyboard kits go for a lot more. It does come in various colors. It comes in black, white, pink, red, and as of right now they do have a red Christmas version that has a green knob. Very cute, and a purple color as well. The one I have here today is the pink variant because I thought it looked very nice with the gold accents that they have on the right and left side of the keyboard. Inside the box you get the keyboard itself that already has a polycarbonate plate with plate mounted stabilizers pre-installed. It also has plate foam, and I believe it does also have PE foam installed as well. Other than that, you also get screw-in stabilizers if you didn't want to use plate mounted stabilizers, because this keyboard does support that. Also, this keyboard is south facing, so if you do have cherry profile keycaps, then you have nothing to worry about and you can use them on this keyboard. To take this keyboard apart, all you have to do is remove the 6 screws on the back of the keyboard. Remember that the top of the keyboard has the longer screws and the bottom of the keyboard has the smaller screws, just so you don't forget. Inside the keyboard, it already has some foam, but I noticed that the foam was not doing enough dampening, so I added some tape to the back of the PCB along with that foam, and I also did the force break mod. I did not know this, but it does include Teflon pads in case you wanted to do the force break mod, and I just did it with some typical painter's tape that I used for the tape mod. So yeah, you don't have to do what I did. They actually give you something so you can perform that force break mod, which basically removes the resonance of an aluminum keyboard kit to make it sound better. I decided to just use the plate mounted stabilizers for this build because Akko's plate mounted stabilizers are honestly really good. All I had to do was wire balance and lube the wires and everything was ready to go. The keycaps I'm going to be using are the One Piece Wano Country keycap set that goes for $75.99 on Akko's website. It is a cherry profile keycap set. I felt like the dark pink and light pink with the blue and yellow accents would look very nice on this keyboard, considering it does have gold on the right and left hand side, and the pink is a light pink as well. When it comes to the switches, I am going to be using Akko Cream Yellows. I was going to lube them, but at the time of recording this video, I did not have the time to do so. I will do that in the future for sure though. After that, all I had to do was put the keycaps and switches into the keyboard, and honestly the final result surprised me. I really like this keyboard and I think it sounds great as well. So here's a quick sound test so you guys can hear how it sounds. Overall, this keyboard kit does not sound like something that $100 would get you. And for all that it comes with, it is obviously a great deal and a great budget option for anybody looking to maybe get into the hobby or just wants a great budget board. So I'll be leaving a link to this keyboard in the description below if you did want to check it out. And be sure to enter my Christmas giveaway that will be ending on December 31st at midnight. You don't even have to be subscribed, but you can win up to 3 keyboards because I'm giving away 2 and Tur Boards is giving away 1. I'll be leaving a link to that in the description as well. But other than that, let me know what you guys think about the Monsgeek M1 keyboard in the comments down below. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.